Hey guys, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing the HyperX Double Shot PBT keycaps. They are putting 104 key set. They're double shot for long lasting durability, and the bottom part is translucent so your RGB looks nicer. These sell for $25 and the white one does too. It comes with a 2-year free warranty, technical support. That's it, okay. We are going to be putting it on my SteelSeries Apex Pro TKO. This is the 104 keys, so if it's 60% to 104, you're fine. It comes with the keyboard layout, so you don't mess up and put the keys where they're not supposed to be. Here's the keycap puller, so you can take the keycaps off. I've started to take some of mine off, but you don't have to. Okay, we have opened it. And here it is. Oh, that was a little. Okay, so here's the keycap puller. I'm not sure how to use it. It's just like this. Yeah, you get on the bottom. Just pop it out. You gotta get these bumps onto it so you can just. And then it's just easy peasy. Okay, first we'll start putting the keys on so you can see how it looks compared to the other ones. Okay, F9 right here. Sometimes you gotta push it in a little. Yep, nice. Okay, see, now it's actually good to have your keyboard layout so you know where you're putting your stuff. Okay, you can also take them off if you're just like hands, but if you don't feel like doing that, or just like feel like you might mess up the keyboard, switch or something, you don't have to. As you can see, my keyboard is very crusty, so, but once you do it, you should probably clean it out because you don't know what's been sitting under there, because if it builds up for a while, it can affect the actual durability of the keyboard by messing up with the inside. So luckily that hasn't happened to me. Hopefully it never will. Yeah, this keycap. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else in the box. Yep. Here is what it says on the back, inside, in front, here, same thing, this. Okay. This is gonna take a while because you have to take out all your keys, but as you see, I've gotten the pace of it. Yeah, for the bigger keys, you gotta do it sideways, not. I should probably make a pile so I know. This, you should do that too. You can put one so you don't want to mess up and accidentally put another one. We'll start putting these on so you can see how it looks more, so you can actually tell like the difference. Yeah, the white version, it could get dirty, so if you like it, go for it. But if you don't want it to get dirty, then don't. See, yeah. You gotta push them in. I'm just gonna use this to push it in a little, or just my thumb. Yeah, see, it's double shot for stability too. Not sure where the minus sign goes. I found it. That's great. Alright. Yeah, these are on Amazon. These came on a 12% discount, so it would be $22. The black one earlier was on a $5 discount, so the black one might be on discount occasionally. If you like it, we will put a link in the description so you can check it out. Go buy it for yourself. Oh, I forgot. I was gonna clean this out. That's what you should do because you don't want the filth building up, like I said, and your keyboard getting damaged, or just like when you look through it. Oh, perfect time to use the keycap puller. Yep, as you can see, I'm putting a pile for my stuff. Yeah, don't be silly like I was and forget to clean it, because then you don't want your keyboard getting grimy. And a nasty keyboard is kind of, well, no one wants it. Yeah, we'll finish doing top shelf. Okay, yeah, we have to reach in. The layout's kind of weird how they put it, but it's not that you need to understand. It's just you gotta look As I won't be using the extra part since this is a 10-less keyed keyboard. If it's not, that's fine, you can use it. You don't also have to put all of them on. Oh wait, that's the wrong file. Sorry about that. Okay, yeah, now we have to open the other one because see, it comes with a bunch of other ones. This is the other side one, so this is what I need. Not sure where F7 is. Never mind, I just saw it. Yeah, be careful not to mix them up because then it'll just be a hassle to fix it. I mean, it won't be a hassle, it'll just be annoying, you know what I mean? Okay. Yeah, we got, I'm not sure how we found B. Okay, F2, F5, F4. Yeah, make sure to like push it in because you don't want you just like gotta pop it in. Yeah, as you can see, you can already see the RGB coming out through the sides. Looks definitely nicer. It's nice to have RGB in the night because it's kind of hard to see. Okay, we F3. This will take a while, probably like what, 20 minutes to finish. So be aware of that. As we get further down, I'm gonna take off row by row. Pop it into pile. Yeah. Make sure to put the keys you're taking off in like another bag or something and put it somewhere where you remember in case you ever want to use them again on another keyboard or just want them. Yeah, as you can see, I've gotten a trick to getting them. Never mind. See, there is some built up dirt and stuff on it. Let's see what else is on here. Nope, that's it. Yep, keyboard layout, Kingston, that's it. Okay, so now we need to get our one. This is the wrong keycap set. Okay, so 8 is, oh shoot, I forgot. Yeah, make sure to not lose track of where you are. Oh my god. As for these keys, like the profile keys or whatever your keyboard has, switch profiles or change like lighting, you know, that you can keep that on. That is, oh, is the F12 in here? Yeah, I'll take that out later. Okay, so we gotta look for number, okay, we have, wait, I keep messing up. Okay, here is this one. The first one you'll get is this side, so you just like shimmy out, you can come out. This, okay, so we got 1, wait, shoot, 1, 3, I just like click them a bit because that'll usually get the job done. To push it down if it's not all the way down. As we got, yeah. Be careful not to like actually mess up the switch when pushing it in, because you don't want to do that. You can actually damage it. That's not good. Oh, see, gotta be careful. Nope, no more. So we gotta reach into our bag, pop out 6. Not sure where 7 and 8 went. They just disappeared on me. Oh, never mind. Found it. Okay. This is a tedious hassle, but like, it's pretty cheap to make it look nicer. And I'm not sure where 9 is. Wait, never mind. Right there. Okay, so after 9, yeah. See, that's where the board comes handy. Not sure if this is 0. I don't think it is because it doesn't have the other thing. Yep. Yeah, like look at that. It was popping out a little. Just gotta pop it back in. 0. Now we got a minus. There's our plus. Let's do, yeah. Where's the plus? Yep. You'll have to look. So that's not fun, but it's just part of the process. Not sure. where the equal to the plus one. Yes, in this bag, we'll open that up. As you can see, there's the numpad keys. I won't be using them. Yeah, after you cut some, you can just pop them right out. Here we got our little plus. Backspace. Oh wait, I'm missing F12. Oh wait, it was in here, yeah. Yeah, like the final keys will be in this bag. So even if you don't have a numpad, you'll have to go into it. Be careful with these, because you want to just get it on just right. Click it a few times. And then right. Okay. We have our P. Okay. What? Oh wait, these are for full size. Never mind. Delete. Okay. Delete goes here. Our end goes here. Okay, we need our page up. I don't know, this is the scroll lock? Yeah. What? Guess I don't need that. FN. And what? Oh, home. Page up. And we need inserts. There's insert. Not sure we found it. Yeah, as you can see, the bottom translucent part is shining out compared to the other half. Then we got our arrow keys. Yeah, I am very close to mixing the keys, so make sure, like I said, put them in a different bag or just separate them for now, and you can just pop them in the bag once you finish putting your keys on. Okay. Wait, is this right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. How you know is the thicker part on the bottom. That's, yeah, this side, that's the part where it's supposed to go. Thick side is always go to the bottom, so this would be left. I mean right, and this would be left. Not right. Left and right. Yep. Okay, so we're gonna start taking off this side. Yeah, for these keys, you can just do it like that. But for the bigger ones, you have to twist it. This one's not budging. So we'll just have to pop that out. Yep, that one was being a little rough. Yeah. The normal keys are just going to be an easy pop them out real quick. As you can see, there's the dirt coming out again. I'm just going to, I think, pop them all out just because, so then you can just, it's just, you don't have to keep like switching back and forth. See, there's like bits of hair, dust, just things you don't want in your keyboard. Yeah, now we're getting to the more nasty part. Where you see, yeah, bring like a little cloth with you. Here's mine. You can just, or just like, sometimes that doesn't work. You can buy a can of air, so you can just blow it all out. Not sure how expensive those are, but this works just as well. I mean, it's just not as fast. Okay, there's like a piece of dirt right there. Not dirt, like just grossness. And you just pop the key back on. Already, it looks like a whole other keyboard. Just because the lighting looks nice. Just has a clean look to it. And it's definitely nicer for your RGB. Especially on like keyboard. These, yeah, as you can see, these are compatible with HyperX keyboards or SteelSeries or others. whatever. Like sometimes, like for these, you can just pop them right out with your fingers. But for the space bar, you gotta pull this side,
Both hands,
and then this side, and you got it. And then this, and that. We are gonna keep the SteelSeries key just so we know how to get the onboard profiles. If you don't want to, don't do it. I'm just gonna keep it on, so actually probably you don't need to. If you know you'll remember, it'll be easy for me to remember, so you can put it in the pile. If you ever want to, again, like I said, put it in a Ziploc bag, just pop it right in, and you're fine. See, little pieces of dirt in the switches. You don't want that. It's always good to clean your keyboard, and this is a way to clean your keyboard and to also change the keys. You get 2 sticks, not 2 sticks, you get 2 things done in one. Just gotta blow it out, just like that. It's clean. Okay, now we have our keys, so we can put the Q. Okay, this is the more annoying part. You actually need to know, but here on the first one, just need to keep a memory of where they are, and you're fine. Okay, T is here. Okay, E, W. Oh, yeah, he was trying to pass over this one. Next, I want to see how it looks with the space bar, just because it's such a big key. Oh, shoot. Surprisingly, it only shines, it only has the light there, so it won't shine as much compared to the other ones. Yeah. That's kind of, okay, so Alt, X, C, V. Yeah, see that there's times like that, you need to have it, or else you kind of just screwed and you won't know where it is. And it's overall just not a fun time. Yeah. As you can see, I'm almost done. Wait, is this it? No, this, yeah. We can change the profile. Yeah, and then, yeah. Let's go with that one, just because I feel like it. Okay. Okay, the keys are trying to pass over. Okay, where's I? Okay. This is, I recommend going one side at a time, so C. So, you don't want to try and do too many things at one time. And then Alt. Okay, we gotta go back to our packet. We have the F. Ow. Sure to not cut yourself on the packet. Does sting for like a second. Okay, so Z. Not sure why I left the middle one. Okay, we're gonna change profile again. Sounds good. Okay. Backspace? Maybe? Yeah. Okay. This is backspace. No, can't be. Can't be backspace. So this has to be this one. Right here.
Shift.
Or enter. Yeah. Okay. Because it shows right there. Yep. You could just like.
No, one down.
You. No,
One.
no, it's not.
No?
No.
Oh.
Here is shift. The bigger one goes on this side. Yeah, so you can see. I don't know. Does it? So you just saw like it. Yeah, it's fine. Sometimes you gotta get really close just to see. Okay. Tab. Caps lock. Wait, is that caps lock? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, shift, Control and Windows key. Control. Windows key kind of looks weird compared to the old one I had. Yeah, just like push them in. Yep. Okay. Still an Alt key left alone. Okay, so we need R. Boom. Y. Where is Y? Yeah, make sure. I'm just gonna go with what I have, and then it'll just be easy to use a little bit of. Yeah, that's good. Okay, we need U. Okay, just like go with what you have, and then from there it'll be easy. Alt would go there, so this would go here, I think. No, V is B and N, and then you just put it right there. The O would go under right here. M would go right next to N. Yeah, this is just like the final part you have to do to actually finish it. It's kind of annoying, but it's fine. It's a nice way to make your RGB look nicer and shine through. Yeah, the white version is just white on top, but I don't know how it would affect with getting dirty. I don't know. I've never used a custom keycap. This is my first time. Yeah. Overall, for $20, this is pretty nice. They're pretty good. They feel nice. They feel nice on your fingers. It's more like definitely you can feel the grip on it. Your fingers won't be slipping away when you're sweating. Yeah. Okay. Fan. Okay. Here is what would be the profile key. Seven? What? Oh, wait, never mind. I still have keys here. This final part, yeah, you'll just have the keys remaining, pretty much easy to find. You just gotta look down for a sec. That's why you just should put the ones you've seen. Just find where they are. It's definitely easier that way to do it like that. And for the bigger keys, it's easy. Just look for the ones that are a bit longer, larger. We are almost done with our keyboard custom. Wait, no, it can't be there. Because if M and, oh wait, no. Is it here? No. Okay. Sorry about that. And then we're going back to the final keys. As you can see, some of them are pushed out. You just gotta, this is what I like to do. Push them in. Okay, this one here, we're getting down to the final bits. And we're almost done. Me customizing my SteelSeries keyboard. Okay, what are these? Not sure where the last keys are. We are missing, wait, Y and I. Why I? Have you disappeared? There, we are missing Y. Not sure where Y has gone. Here. I found B. But I found Y. We found Y. And just like that, we're done. Push it in for one last time. There's keyboard. Or translucent. Thanks for watching the video. That will be all. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this to your friends. $25 on Amazon. Overall, very nice. Feels nice on your fingers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.